Hello. Welcome back to Mr. Daily English.
Hi, everyone. It's wonderful to see you again.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Today, we're here to help you practice English in a fun and easy way.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Daily English and give it a like. It really helps us a lot.
Thank you. So what are we talking about today, Emma?
Today, we're talking about something everyone enjoys, hobbies.
That's right. Everyone has hobbies. But how do you talk about them in English? We'll show you step by step.
So, Alex, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. A little tired, but happy to be here. How was your weekend?
It was amazing. I spent my weekend painting landscapes. Painting really helps me relax and enjoy my free time.
That sounds wonderful. I spent my weekend reading a history book. Reading is a great way to learn and relax at the same time.
Absolutely. Hobbies can be very different. Some people like active hobbies, like sports or dancing, and others like quiet hobbies such as reading or knitting.
Exactly. Let's think about some common hobbies. People enjoy reading, painting, playing football or basketball, cooking, gardening, dancing, listening to music, playing video games, knitting, photography, writing, or learning an instrument.
And hobbies are things you do because you enjoy them, not because someone tells you to.
Right. So, Emma, what's your favorite hobby?
I really enjoy painting. It helps me feel calm and creative. And you, Alex?
I love playing football. It keeps me active, healthy, and happy. Plus, it's fun to play with friends.
Sports are very popular hobbies.
True. But quiet hobbies like knitting, reading, or listening to music are wonderful too. Everyone can find something they enjoy.
Now, let's learn how to talk about hobbies in English.
First, we can use the verb like. For example, I like painting or I like playing football.
Another good verb is enjoy. You can say, I enjoy cooking or I enjoy dancing.
And if you do something regularly, you can say, I usually. For example, I usually read before bed, or I usually go swimming on weekends.
Let's practice together. Alex, how would you talk about football?
I can say, I usually play football on Saturdays, or I enjoy playing football with my friends.
Perfect. I can say, I like painting in my free time, or I enjoy painting landscapes.
Great. Now let's see how to ask someone about their hobbies.
You can ask, what's your favorite hobby? Or, do you have any hobbies?
Or, how do you spend your free time? Now take a moment and say it out loud. Pause the video if you need.
And you can answer, my favorite hobby is reading, or I enjoy cooking in my free time.
Let's learn some more vocabulary about hobbies.
First word, hobby. A hobby is something you enjoy doing in your free time.
Second word, free time. Free time is when you're not working or studying.
Third word, interest. An interest is something that you like and enjoy learning about. For example, my interest is photography, or I have many interests, like music and sports.
Another word is relaxing. A hobby can be relaxing, which means it helps you feel calm and happy.
Like painting, reading, or listening to music.
And finally, creative. Creative means using your imagination to make something new or think of new ideas.
Like writing stories, painting, or designing something special.
Let's practice. Alex, make a sentence with creative. I enjoy creative hobbies like painting and writing.
Perfect. I can say, listening to music is very relaxing for me.
Hobbies are also a great way to spend time with friends, like playing football, hiking, or dancing together.
True. And hobbies can help you learn new skills like cooking, photography, or learning an instrument.
Hobbies can be both fun and educational.
So, Alex, what new hobby would you like to try?
I would love to try cooking. Trying new recipes looks exciting. What about you, Emma?
I want to try dancing. It looks fun, active, and social.
Excellent. Trying new hobbies is always a good idea. It helps you learn, have fun, and meet new people.
Now, let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. I like painting in my free time. I enjoy reading books on weekends. I usually go swimming on Saturdays.
Great. You can also ask yourself questions. What's my favorite hobby? How do I spend my free time? Try answering out loud to practice your English.
Let's recap what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about hobbies using I like, I enjoy, I usually.
Useful questions. What's your favorite hobby? Do you have any hobbies? How do you spend your free time?
And vocabulary. Hobby, free time, interest, relaxing, creative. Plus examples like painting, dancing, football, reading, and cooking.
Now, it's time for our question of the day.
Today's question: what is your favorite hobby? Do you like sports, music, reading, painting, or something else?
You can answer with a short sentence. My favorite hobby is reading.
Or a longer sentence. I enjoy playing football on the weekends with my friends.
We would love to read your answers in the comments.
Keep practicing your English and keep smiling.
If you liked this video, give it a like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. That way, you won't miss any lessons on Mr. Daily English.
And share this video with your friends who are learning English. You can practice together.
Well, that's all for today. Thank you for joining us.
Keep learning and keep smiling.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.